We are back in the gym, guys. What's up? It's your boy Clean Bean. We are gonna start today off by doing stretches again. I did legs last time I was in here, which was a couple days ago, and I forgot to stretch, so I was sore as hell. So we're gonna go ahead and just stretch my legs, stretch my arms, because I am doing chest today. Stretch out the arms real quick. Gotta stretch this way so I can perfect my power cleans, because whenever I try and drop my elbows, it hurts my wrist. Yeah, my legs are really sore. I warm up with chest with 10 on each side, and then after that I go to 135, which is a plate on each side, and then I try to do 10 reps, 3 sets if I can. I'm still working my way up to that weight, but we're gonna go ahead and do the warm up. Alright, so that's 10 reps as a warm-up, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll throw the 45s on. Nine. Alright, so next is gonna be the incline. It works out the top part of your chest, I believe. That's what everybody tells me anyway. Since I don't know if y'all know the exact muscles, go ahead and just let me know, because like I said, I still need to learn, and it would make a lot more sense to me if I learned. So don't hesitate to let me know that I'm wrong, because I don't know anything about this gym. But we're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Eight. 10. All right, so now we're gonna do some decline bench. I haven't put the weights on yet because I'm trying to like get my framing right and stuff. Next time I'm gonna have my monitor, so it won't be as crazy. But I'm gonna do it with 25s on each side, and after that, I'm gonna go to the dumbbell press, I believe they're called. I'm gonna do the dumbbell press next, and then I'm gonna do an incline dumbbell press. I'm gonna do some flies. So that's what we got ahead of us today, guys. So let's get started with this decline bench, and then we'll go from there. All right, so now we're gonna be doing the dumbbell press. After this, we're gonna do the incline dumbbell press. All right, so I skipped the cable press, cable flies. I was just a little tired after doing the dumbbell flies. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my workout with some power cleans. I have Brizzo here. He's gonna do them with me today. So let's go ahead and get started with our first set. I'm gonna stay at 95 the whole time because I'm trying to perfect my form, and once I perfect my form, then I'll be able to start going up in weight. Because 25s are a little easy for me, but it don't make it easy if you don't really know your form. So you gotta learn your form. If y'all are doing power cleans, let me know how I can work on my form. If y'all wanna learn power cleans, hit me up in the comments below and I can try and help you to the best of my ability. Let's go ahead and get started. Me too. All right, so that concludes today's episode here at the gym for chest day. If you guys have any workouts that I can try for my next chest day, go ahead and drop some suggestions down below in the comment section and I'll go ahead and try them. Next time, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing buys or tries or shoulders, but you guys will see on the next episode, which I'm gonna try and do this every week. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. And if, like I said, if you guys have any suggestions on workouts or different things that I can try, my form, how to get better at like the whole like fitness journey. So we'll see you guys in the next episode, and thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. We'll see you all next time.